Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to increase your FPS in Spellbreak. So let's get going. First, you want to close things you don't use, so Google, close down, and my Discord, so I'm just going to press quit Discord. You can see here many things, you can just pop it up and down. So now we want to start Spellbreak. Now that we're in Spellbreak, let's go through all my settings and see what's going on. So audio doesn't really affect it, as you can see, it's audio of course. So we're gonna go to video. I usually keep it full screen. You usually want to play full screen. Now let's leave this one for now and this one as well. So graphics, if you want to have a balance between performance and how do you call it, quality, you want to keep it on medium. What I usually do is I put this on high. Let me show you the difference. So you can see this is really not that good right now. So if I put this on high, just makes the ground look better, which in my case I like it. So what I also suggest you guys to do is you can turn this down to 70. It doesn't really do much, as you can see, it doesn't really affect anything, just gives you more FPS, I guess. And also about VSync, you want to keep it on if you don't have G-Sync or FreeSync, it does help you. So yeah, now what you can do if you want to see materials, as you can see, you can't see them. You can probably do this, I think, a high. Now you should be able to see them. Oh, never mind. Let me just check up. One sec. Okay, so I haven't really found the exact solution to materials, but I think what helped is having these two on high. But anyway, I usually keep this at 80. I think that's fine. 81, that's good enough. But now I want to show you something, guys. So as you can see, my FPS is going up and down, and it's not really good. So what you want to do is you want to cap it. So I usually cap it at 120. By doing that, I ensure that it's stable. So you can do that and it makes it more stable. Now what you can also do is you can put the resolution down. So that's, you get more FPS, but let me just uncap it. I'm getting 200 FPS, so you can do that. I think my recorder is doing fine. I'm not sure. Anyway though, that can help you out, and I wouldn't suggest going lower than that. You can balance between these numbers, but 720p or 1080p, that's probably the best. Let me just turn this back to 1080p. What you can do else is you could probably I don't know, play on windowed, but that's not really good. Anyway though, if we set everything to high, as you can see, there's not much difference between medium, but I'm losing so much FPS. So just by keeping these things at medium and just like putting this on high, as you can see, I'm getting 50 FPS, but it's the same thing more or less. It doesn't really change much, so that's why, that's the guide basically. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, that helps me out, and yeah, peace out.